Ever pondered the importance of digital marketing in this fast-paced, tech-savvy world? It's no secret that businesses thrive when they tap into the vast potential of the digital space. That's where Crescent Digital steps in, offering tailor-made solutions to propel businesses into the future. Crescent Digital is not just a company, but a partner, a guide, and a digital wizard, transforming the way businesses connect with their audience. They are the architects who construct the digital face of businesses, their websites. With an expert team of web developers, they create responsive and user-friendly platforms that are not just visually appealing, but also technologically advanced. But it doesn't end there. They understand that in today's world, social media isn't just for sharing selfies and food pictures. It's a vibrant marketplace, teeming with potential customers. With their social media marketing strategies, they know just how to navigate this bustling digital bazaar, making businesses stand out and connect with their target audience. And what's a good marketing strategy without a dash of creativity? Crescent Digital's graphic design team brings the art to the science of digital marketing. They create compelling visuals that tell a story, evoke emotions, and resonate with the audience, making businesses unforgettable. Nestled in the heart of Damas, Crescent Digital is more than just a location. It's a hub of innovation, creativity, and technological expertise, all dedicated to helping businesses soar in the digital space. So why wait? The future of your business is just a click away. Reach out to Crescent Digital today and embark on a journey to digital success. Remember, in the digital world, the possibilities are endless, and with Crescent Digital, so is your business's potential.